accidentally wrote time. Time is 3, 4. If you know the answer to 8, how did you get the answer 20? Not 20. If you were laughing, what is the answer yourself? 1,000,000! Got the answer wrong as 20. You're laughing at me. You said the answer 1,000,000. The answer really were now 1,000,000. Yeah, not 1,000,000. I know. Yeah. 50,100. You got that. No. 16. Yes, you got 1,100,000,000. You got that. Yes, I know. Yes. Interesting, you cannot say anything silly. Nearly all most of the boys. 16. Yes, you're correct. The answer is actually 16. I can't believe that he got the answer 60,000 million. He got the answer 1,000,000. He got the answer 20. You can go ahead, Mr. Cucumber, crispy, very crispy and cheesy, but it's sweating at time. Finally, it's 1,000 million days past the hour. For the last time, how many times do I have to tell you that my name is not Mr. Cheesy Box? It's Mr. Box. Alright, geez. Now stop for detention. Actually, I should give you detention right now. Now go. Detention. Excuse me, I better get going. No, you're not. Hey, Whee! Got him out my way. What did you just do, teacher? I flew him out the window. Out the window. Yeah, sure, that's what you're supposed to be, out the window, flying. If I can fly. Excuse me, this is the principal speaking. We would like to call Jake to the principal's office. Oh no, I'm in trouble. Ooh, Greta, you're in trouble. No, let's please, Uncle. Drag them. Ah! I guess this one for Ooh, sweet. No. Hey, you don't even know how sweet that is. Hey, that's my sweet. No, you said you is a person I like. Wait, I would like to, you can still, I will definitely say yes. Yeah, it will be still one sweet. Another sweet. No, touch my sweet. Why didn't you have them with you? Lips in half. I want the last, please. I'd like to be split in half. How's the last please? I'm so moving to yes, we're gonna have an epic someone sleepover. This is so epic. I'm gonna wait. Mommy, can we have a sleepover? Oh, why not? Why not? Yeah. It's not really a good time for me to sleep. Not mind that I have you. That cake was amazing. Repeat! Jay, please go to the principal's office. Oh my gosh, what did you do now, Jay? I threw Mr. Cheesy Box out the window. What? What do you mean you threw your own teacher out the window? He's trying to not let me go home. He accused me and said that I'm not going home, I'm going to detention. So and then he threw me behind him. So basically, that I threw him out the window. So yeah, now the window's shattered. But I'm not the one repairing it, so it's all good. Hey, I hope you're not hiding anyone else. Literally always negotiate with this principal's office, so you're not inviting me. Aww, I don't invite my friends. Well, that's what you get for throwing your own teachers out the window. Because he called it Mr. Cheesy Bob, and his name's Mr. Bob, and he keeps calling him Mr. Cheesy Bob. So he said that he's going to go to the pension, and now he's somewhere. I'm definitely going. He's okay, bye. So, Mommy, why? Because you threw your teacher out the window? Well, Mommy, that's not fair. They get a sleepover. Because they did not throw their own teacher out the window. But it wasn't my fault. He was throwing me. Does not mean we throw him out the window. Yes, it was. Just come on. Okay. Yay, can't wait. Holly, let's go now. How did Mommy tell you to go guys? Why are you telling me? I'm so disappointed in you. Why, Mommy? You should have figured it out. Wait, it'd be so cool if the teacher landed in our backyard. You're not going there. No, I want to see if the teacher landed in our backyard. Mom, why are we being dragged into bad behavior? Because we want to see if he landed in our backyard. No, he didn't land. No. That's not fair. Mrs. Principal, parents, rose her toilet because she got me in trouble and now Mommy won't let me have a sleepover. Ooh, that's you guys. If we got some costumes. I'm sure we still have them because the mice are still here. Blaster, I will never forget you. Why do you randomly talk about you never forgetting your blaster? Because I'm angry. And when I'm angry, I speak to my blaster. Huh. Okay, fine. Do what you want. No, here. Where did they go? They're missing. No. Search for them. By the time Mom tested this, we'll have slime everywhere. There'll be slime everywhere. There'll be slime everywhere. Okay. Break my leg. Whatever they think of that. So we need to go there. Yeah. So we need to go there. So this thing is coming. What is that for there? I found it. Ding dong. Oh, they're coming out with the slime. Hurry, the slime so they don't slam us here. Grab her, tidy up while we're gone. I don't need to tidy up. I don't care. I'm not tidying up your mess for you. Gee, no need for the attitude. I'm coming to open the door. Now I have a yeah. My dad was working and now I have to clean it. Yeah. Yeah, just going to yeah, sure. Now, brother, leave it safe, please. You need them to take. Hey, man, I'm not moving. This is my car. Yes, I have an idea. If you want to have a sleepover, then tomorrow for an hour you're gonna have to have no iPad. Ideal. I want a sleepover. If they're trying to take me out on my dad's computer, they have people for the sleepover, so they're trying to take me out on. This is ridiculous. They come and please. I'm here. Yeah, you're here. They have been from my own mommy. Yeah, she was angry at me because I threw the pizza out of the window and where's that other friend go? Oh, there she is. Yeah. So, grab whatever color you want. I want this one. Ah, it's on my face. No, there's other one. I get this one because it's so, it reminds me of a picture, colorful and pencil, on the flag we have galaxies. I'm forgetting to match this. Who's that one? There's this here. I know it's not from any of them. Oh no, that's also right. But it just looks so good. And I'm making it. It's just really matching with everybody. Because it looks amazing. It also looks like the blue braids in my hair. And I also put glitter in my hair. Because why not? It's not the end of the world for your glitter. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, look. Boy, look what I brought. I brought some drinks. I know your favorite one. The green one. Oh my gosh, yeah. The green one's so good. Yeah. That looks good. Yo, why do you like the green one? That one's totally ugly, musty, and disgusting. Yeah, look. I almost tried mine. Yeah, what's the difference? Oh my god. And luckily for everyone, I bought everyone the one. This is my iPad, I forgot. Okay, I need to get my iPad out and then No. Can't move them. Now we're gonna see cats examine the thing. After we're done, okay, for the hanging. Pretend there's a hanging. What? No, very funny. Pretend it's raining. Hey, no, who wants to drink it? Ha 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 ha. What is that? I'm gonna pour some here. This person. Becky hasn't saved it. Are you just okay, so now it's straight. Okay, you have lemon. Yummy. Very sweet. Let's finish this. Let's put it on the board. Where's them on the board? Lily just finger drop. the best sleepover in the world is that with sleep. Safety, you have the egg. Yeah, just and the way the bird, you have the mother and touch the voice and not learning headphones. Can't believe they did that to me. I'm going to walk up the room. I guess I see these. Splashes on the board. Not again! What's this? That's the water. Now I'm even angrier. Stop that! Stop pressing it. There's water. You. First, now we are literally covered. Let's get the fundamental shot there. Yeah, that's amazing. Bill! I wonder if it can get any funnier. It's gonna be very glue. Okay, so I found the glue. The glue we have at home is it dries up and it doesn't stick. And then it went to the sticky solution and it makes it to wash it out. Rather than a paper. Glue. Oh my god, there is a huge lump of glue on my head. It belongs all the way into the egg on my head. Oh my god, this is slimy. I hate it. Why do they keep cracking the first is code, second is egg. Now it's putting glue on our head. This is really the best sleepover ever. Yeah, this is and we're trying to build this slime. Let's use the most disgusting slime. Because this slime is this mixture. This one doesn't have a mixture, and this rest is wet and this one. It's not good. It's Walter's favorite. And so, no! My green slime is being ruined! Ah, I can't see! Let's do pillow fight! Pillow fight! Hiya, 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 hiya. It's the rainbow pillow I saw. I was slapping all of it. Slap the pillow! Pillow fight! Don't mind others using my stuff over here. I'm doing this clip after I finish the video because I forgot to do that. What? Yeah, pillow fight! Mama. I'm gonna hit everyone. We're gonna hit everyone. Ignore the background. Ignore the background noise. Pillow fight. Wow, look at this. Mommy's right. We should probably do it today. This is the best one ever. We should really fight. Yeah. What sleepover ever? I even come here. Washes. I'm disgusted by the way I live. This is not how I live. I promise. Oh, we didn't get to do our tea party. We can just pour some tea or something. Does it need to look very good? Does it need to look very good? No, I can only put any. Cheers. Good. 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 You're disgusting. That's disgusting. Why? We can even get with almost all of these things. Why didn't you tell us what I've been up to? Mommy did the extra time thing where she says we need to go to sleep on the way there. She says that we can do something if we're not finishing the book. The weather says it's not normally the same. It's really fun. Really funny. Okay. So I'm not sleeping because I want to do exercising. Where is this exercise in everybody's kitchen? Yeah, this means it's simple. Why does the end of the baby have to be let it have to be free? places. Yeah, I love this music. Especially some of the let it go, let it go. Cold never bothered me anyway. Let it go, let it go. Well, the sails are blue anyway. Well, that's not the song, but yes, I love this music. Ooh, that's the song. Let it go is happening now. The song movie finishes. Oh, very good. Not where I the movie first, but how the movie finishes. It's so annoying. Why do it has to be frozen? Why can't you car with a car 2? Or if there's a car 3, car 3? Anything like that. Let it go, let it go. Let it go. Movie finishing. Okay, the movie's finished. I think it's my turn. So, I don't want that. How do you have that? That's crazy. How am I doing it? This is chocolate sugar. I think this is sugar. Ignore the background noise. Time to go to bed. Okay. Bye guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for 20 subscribers. And please comment if you like it. And bye.